English literature MCQs. Who tried it Hazlitt as one of the members of the Cockney School of Poetry? A. Tennyson. B. Charles Lamb. C. Lockhart. D. None of these. So right answer is going to be it is C. Lockhart. Which of the following is a Japanese poetic form? A. Jintishi. B. Vanille. It is villanelle. C. Ode. D. Tenka. Right answer is Tenka. The phrase pathetic fallacy is coined by A. Milton. B. Coleridge. C. Carlyle. D. John Ruskin. Right answer is going to be it is D. John Ruskin. Keats' Endymion is dedicated to A. Leigh Hunt. B. Milton. C. Shakespeare. D. Thomas Chatterton. So the right answer is going to be D. Thomas Chatterton. Identify the character who is a supporter of women's rights in Sons and Lovers. A. Mrs. Morrell. B. Annie. C. Miriam. D. Clara Davis. Right answer is going to be it is Clara Davis. Which of the following are Thomas Hardy books? A. The Poor Man and the Lady. B. The Return of Native. C. The Woodlander. D. All of the above. So the right answer is going to be it is D. All of the above. Which of the following statement is correct? A. Shakespeare's first child, Susanna, was born in 1583. B. In 1585, twins were born and named Hamnet and Judith. C. Both and B. C. None of the above. Right answer is going to be it is B. Sorry, C. Both A and B. How many languages did Chaucer know? A. 2. B. 4. C. 1. D. 5. Right answer is going to be it is B. 4. In which language the stories of Canterbury Tale are written? A. French. B. Latin. C. Middle English. D. English. Right answer is going to be it is C. Middle English. Which poet was it said? Even if he is not a great poet, he is certainly a great something. A. Eliot. B. Kipling. C. Cummings. D. Brooke. Right answer is going to be it is B. Kipling. Why did Poetry Quarterly cease publication in 1953? A. Owner convicted of fraud. B. Fall in sales. C. Rise in taxation on magazines. D. Shortage of paper. Right answer is it is A. Owner convicted of fraud. In what front did Dylan Thomas under Milford first become known? A. Book of Poetry. B. A radio play. C. A stage play. D. A short film. Right answer is B. A radio play. Ted Hughes was married to which American poetess? A. Carolyn Kaiser. B. Mary Oliver. C. Sylvia Plath. D. Marianne Moore. Right answer is going to be it is C. Sylvia Plath. Sasson and Brooke wrote what kind of poetry? A. Light verse. B. Romantic. C. political satire. D. War poems. Right answer is going to be, it is D. War poems. What is a funny poem of 5 lines called A. A quartet, B. Limerick, C. Sextet, D. Palindrome. Right answer is going to be, it is B. Limerick. What is the title of the poem that begins thus? What is the life? If full of care, we have no time to stand and stare. A. Comfort. B. Leisure. C. Relaxation. D. Tranquility. Right answer is B. It is leisure. Complete the Shakespearean line. Let me not to the marriage of two minds bring dash. A. Impediments. B. Inconveniences. C. Worries. D. Troubles. Right answer is going to be, it is A. Impediments. There was aware of there was aware of her to love it laugh come riding by. This is a couplet from the Bailiff's Daughter of Islington. What figure of speech is used by the poet? A. Metaphor. B. Synecdoche. C. Euphemism. D. Irony. Right answer is going to be, it is B. Synecdoche. What is study of meter, rhyme, and intonation of a poem called is? Prosody. B. Allegory. C. Scansion. D. Assonance. Right answer is going to be, it is A. Prosody. Who has defined poetry as a fundamental creative act using languages? A. H. W. Longfellow. B. Ralph Waldo Emerson. C. Dylan Thomas. D. William Wordsworth. Correct answer is C. Dylan Thomas. So thank you so much for watching. These were the MCQs we are done with. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful days ahead.